Did you know that 90% of common EV issues can be fixed at home? For example, you can resolve a touchscreen problem in seconds, and a simple battery recalibration can restore up to 15% of lost range. No trip to the service center required. This is just one of the many tips Tesla has shared about the convenience of their affordable Model Q. It's the first car to take convenience even further, offering both budget-friendly pricing and the ability to handle repairs yourself wherever you are. Recently, Elon Musk and other sources confirmed that the Tesla Model Q is in its final testing phase and could be released sooner than expected. With a surprising price tag and groundbreaking new technology, the Model Q could shake up the electric vehicle market in a big way. But will Tesla's bold move pay off, or could it backfire? In today's episode, we'll dive into the latest updates on the Model Q's testing progress, its potential release date, and the exciting features it will offer. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, because we'll share a simple trick that can increase your electric car's battery life by 30%. Now, how has the Tesla Model Q progressed in its final testing? It's shaping up to be one of Tesla's most affordable models, aimed at the mass market, but does it still have that premium feel? These are the most recent leaked images from Tesla's testing facility, where the Model Q is being put to the test under extreme conditions. The most reliable evidence we have comes from first-hand sightings and official testing reports. One of the most convincing pieces of proof was drone footage taken at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas. On February 12, 2025, Tesla fan and drone operator Joe Tiggum captured a heavily camouflaged Model Q prototype while monitoring the ongoing expansion of Gigafactory Texas. This mysterious car was purposely covered with a black tarp to hide its size and design features, common practice for vehicles in the final stages of testing. What makes this sighting particularly interesting is the covered dashboard, indicating that Tesla is keeping its proprietary interface under wraps for now. Tesla has been careful about revealing designs or technology too early, but this sighting of the Model Q fits perfectly into the company's usual timeline for final road testing, which typically happens 3 to 4 months before an official launch. And it doesn't stop with drone footage. This time, Tesla has taken a more open approach. In a recent press conference, Elon Musk broke from the company's usual secrecy and confirmed the existence of the Model Q, calling it the best deal Tesla has ever offered. This is a bold statement, especially from someone who's known for being cautious about announcing new products too early. But the surprises don't end there. During a live-streamed gaming session on Platform X, Musk accidentally revealed that Tesla has already started testing fully autonomous, unsupervised driving on the Model Q. If true, this means the affordable vehicle won't just be accessible, it will also feature cutting-edge technology that's on par with Tesla's higher-end models. The most concrete proof comes from Tesla's official channels. In a meeting with investors at Deutsche Bank, Travis Axelrod, Tesla's head of investor relations, officially confirmed that the Model Q will launch in the first half of next year. When a publicly traded company makes this kind of statement to investors, it's more than just talk, it's a commitment. This confirms that the Model Q is not just a rumor, but a real project moving toward production. Perhaps the most definitive confirmation came in that same meeting, where it was revealed that the Model Q would be built on Tesla's latest vehicle platform. This signals that the project has moved beyond the conceptual phase and is now firmly in the production planning stage. Looking at the bigger picture, there's no doubt that the Tesla Model Q is on its way, and it could be a game changer for the EV industry. An affordable car packed with cutting-edge technology and backed by one of the world's most trusted brands. It might just be the perfect car you've been waiting for. The moment to join the electric revolution may be closer than ever before. As promised in the title, we're here to give you the most accurate analysis of when you can expect to see the Tesla Model Q in person in part 3 of this series. But before that, we'll dive into whether this model is truly worth the wait by breaking down the innovative technologies and features Tesla has packed into the Model Q. So, what are the 3 most highly anticipated technologies in the Tesla Model Q? This is the part you won't want to miss, and the third technology could make the Model Q up to 30% cheaper than other EVs. First up is the revolutionary next-generation battery system. Multiple sources confirm that the Model Q will feature an advanced lithium iron phosphate battery, available in both 53 kWh and 75 kWh versions. This new battery technology is a huge step forward, expected to deliver a 300-mile range while being more affordable than Tesla's previous battery types. For comparison, the Tesla Model 3 with a 75 kWh battery offers a range of about 406 miles, while standard cells typically provide 350 miles. This new battery also reduces weight by around 400 pounds, thanks to Tesla's latest cell chemistry and packaging innovations. The result? The Model Q will be 30% lighter than the Model 3 without sacrificing performance. This battery is designed to strike the perfect balance between range, performance, and cost, making it a perfect fit for an entry-level Tesla without compromising on essential capabilities. The second breakthrough technology is Tesla's gigacasting process, a revolutionary manufacturing method that dramatically cuts both costs and production time. By consolidating large sections of the car into single-piece castings, Tesla can produce up to 45 vehicles per hour, far surpassing the industry average of 18 to 22 vehicles per hour. This process not only streamlines production, but also reduces costs by about 30%, making the Model Q up to 30% cheaper than other comparable EVs. Images from Tesla's factories showcase the scale and efficiency of this technology, demonstrating how it's transforming the production process. The new gigacasting process transforms Tesla's production line into a highly optimized, cost-effective operation. On top of that, Tesla is introducing a revolutionary electrical and wiring architecture to further improve efficiency, durability, and ease of assembly in the Model Q. Unlike conventional vehicles that rely on complex wiring systems, the Model Q will feature a wireless communication system for various functions, including lights and accessories, similar to the technology used in the Cybertruck. This marks a significant shift in automotive electrical design, eliminating long stretches of traditional wiring in favor of a 48-volt electrical architecture. The benefits of this approach are impressive. It reduces complexity, lowers the vehicle's weight, simplifies production, and enhances reliability. By adopting wireless communication for key vehicle systems, Tesla not only cuts production costs and minimizes potential maintenance issues, but also makes over-the-air software updates faster and more efficient. Perhaps the most groundbreaking technology confirmed for the Model Q is its fully autonomous driving system. During a live-streamed gaming session, Elon Musk revealed that Tesla has already started internal testing of fully unsupervised self-driving, specifically for the Model Q. The company plans to launch this capability for commercial use in California and Texas by Q2 2025. Unlike competitors that rely on rule-based decision-making in pre-mapped environments, Tesla's system uses a transformer-based autoregressive model that continuously learns from real-world driving data. This advanced AI-driven approach allows the Model Q to adapt and improve over time, pushing the limits of true autonomous driving. Tesla's full self-driving system, which will be featured in the Model Q, enables the car to handle all aspects of driving in certain conditions without human intervention. However, if you're not completely comfortable with autonomous driving, you can always take control at any time, allowing for manual overrides if the car behaves unexpectedly. This flexibility has been widely praised by drivers, especially when compared to other Tesla models. The Cybercab, which has no steering wheel or pedals, highlights the flexibility of the Model Q by allowing users to switch between autonomous and manual driving. This makes the Model Q a more versatile and reassuring option for those who are still adjusting to self-driving technology. Interestingly, there are rumors circulating in the US EV market that the Tesla Model Q may eventually offer full autonomous driving capabilities similar to the Cybercab. This could mean that in the future, owners might be able to integrate their Model Q into Tesla's robo-taxi network when they're not using it for personal transportation. If true, this would not only increase the vehicle's utility and earning potential, but also help push forward Tesla's vision of a fully autonomous ride-sharing ecosystem. Now, the big question everyone's been waiting for: when will the Tesla Model Q be released? There have been many rumors about the release date, but recently, Elon Musk made a notable statement on the matter. Multiple independent sources have come together around a consistent timeline for the Model Q's launch. According to a report by Becky Peterson from the Wall Street Journal, who obtained Deutsche Bank's follow-up report after discussions with Tesla at AutoDrive Day, the Model Q is officially set for release in the first half of 2025. This timeline has been independently confirmed by Global China EV, which reported that during an investor meeting, Tesla officially announced plans to launch the Model Q in the first half of 2025. The consistency of this timeline across multiple reputable sources strongly suggests that Tesla has locked in a firm release window, demonstrating confidence in the development and production schedule for the Model Q. Tesla's approach to Model Q production indicates a significant preparation for mass manufacturing. Contrary to earlier speculation that production would be limited to Mexico, recent information suggests a multi-location manufacturing strategy, meaning Tesla has secured and prepared multiple production facilities. This is typically a step taken in the final stages before a vehicle launch. Additionally, Tesla has described its Model Q manufacturing process as a production revolution, aiming to introduce next-level technology that will allow the company to produce over 5 million units per year. Musk himself has emphasized that this isn't just an off-the-shelf solution, highlighting that the production infrastructure alone represents a significant innovation. Tesla has carefully planned its pricing strategy for the Model Q, with reports from multiple sources confirming that the car will definitely be priced below $30,000, and it could even be as low as $25,000 for the US market. Some sources are even suggesting a more aggressive price point under $20,000, making it the most affordable Tesla ever produced. This pricing isn't just speculation. It's been confirmed by Tesla's investor relations team, indicating that production costs and profit margins have been thoroughly calculated, which typically happens only in the final stages of vehicle development. This pricing strategy is clearly designed to compete with existing compact EVs like the Volkswagen ID.3 and the BYD Dolphin, positioning the Model Q as a strong contender in the market. So, we've covered everything about the Tesla Model Q, from its testing phase and expected launch date to the 3 groundbreaking technologies that set it apart. Do you think the Model Q will outperform competitors like the BYD Dolphin? Let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment below. Now, how does the new Tesla Model Y compare? Is it truly an upgrade or just all hype? According to the latest update from Sawyer Merritt, the inventory of the new Tesla Model Y has been completely depleted across 30 states in the US. It's important to note that the remaining stock consists of the previous generation Model Y. The price of the Tesla Model Y performance variant has dropped significantly as inventory runs out. Specifically, 2 out of the 3 older Model Y versions that were previously listed in Tesla's inventory are no longer available. As of last week, the long-range rear-wheel drive and long-range all-wheel drive variants were still available, but are now becoming increasingly scarce. Meanwhile, the remaining performance all-wheel drive model is seeing substantial price cuts. Tesla is currently transitioning production to the new Juniper Model Y, which has started arriving at Tesla stores. Tesla claims that the updated Model Y boasts up to a 10% improvement in. The Tesla Model Y is arguably the most significant electric vehicle on the market today. Not only does it hold the title of the world's best-selling car, regardless of powertrain, but it's also the most efficient mainstream electric crossover and a key product for the largest EV manufacturer in the US. Now that Tesla has refreshed the Model Y with the Juniper update, the big question is, how much better is it really? We know the design has been updated. The interior features improved materials and better ambient lighting. And most importantly, Tesla seems to have addressed the harsh ride quality that the Model Y was previously criticized for. Additionally, Tesla claims that the new version is up to 10% more efficient. To put that claim to the test, Out of Spec conducted a direct comparison with the previous Model Y to see if the numbers hold up. However, the results weren't as straightforward as expected. The updated Model Y has an EPA-rated range of up to 327 miles, based on a 55% city and 45% highway driving split. In real-world tests, at a constant 70 miles per hour on the highway, the refreshed Model Y long-range all-wheel drive achieved 298 miles on a full charge. This is a strong result, especially since EVs are usually less efficient on highways and the test was conducted in 20 to 30 miles per hour winds. Interestingly, the new Model Y also outperformed the 2024 Model Y long-range all-wheel drive, which achieved only 285 miles before running out of charge. However, here's the twist. Despite the updated version's longer range, the older Model Y was actually slightly more efficient. Both versions averaged around 3.7 miles per kilowatt hour, but the 2024 model edged out the previous generation by a small margin. The test results pointed out that, given the wind conditions and the inherent variability of real-world testing, these differences likely fall within the expected margin of error. While the updated Model Y offers slightly more usable range with the same battery capacity, allowing drivers to go farther before needing to stop, it still doesn't quite reach the 10% efficiency improvement Tesla initially claimed. Most of the gains come from aerodynamic changes and tire choices, both of which can be influenced by strong crosswinds. Still, both versions of the Model Y remain highly efficient and impressive in their own right. The Model Y is incredibly efficient, with drivers noting that these are some of the most energy-efficient EVs they've ever tested. While Tesla's sales may be slowing, and its brand perception might be taking a hit, the cars themselves are just as impressive as ever. Do you think it's realistic for an EV like the Tesla Model Q to be priced under $30,000 or even below $20,000? Or is this just a marketing move by Tesla? Also, which technology in the Tesla Model Y Juniper do you find most impressive? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to dive deeper into exciting Tesla news or learn more about the Tesla bot, be sure to hit the like button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Theories and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video. Goodbye.